Hello everybody. So in the last lesson, I made a bunch of flashcards that I probably should have made like on the first day, but I don't have a lot of time, but now here we are. So I made another flashcard. I had made a mistake on the video. So class is a class. And so the next word is preto, which means black. Is that what that says? Yeah. It's Portuguese. That's what makes this language so interesting. There are some words that sound like they are obviously from Spanish, and there are some words that sound like they are obviously from Portuguese. Like preto is directly from Portuguese. Preto doesn't exist in Spanish. It's prieto, but I haven't really heard that much. People say negro in Spanish, and then you see teen, which is like tang, and cacho is a dog. But then you see like words that are like completely Spanish, like hombre and mujer, completely Spanish. So it's a very interesting little language. Very interesting language. Preto is black. Grupo is group. So I'm doing this mostly for other people's benefit, just because I know a lot of these words already because of Spanish. But other people may never have studied Spanish or Portuguese, so they may have no clue. So mucha hombre is a man. Did we make this already? Yeah, we made this already. I'm just copying it from the lesson, so excuse me, sorry. Clase estudiante mucha mujer. Amigo. That's one we haven't done. Amigo is a friend. Papa is father or dad. Mama is mom or mother. Bailado is a dancer. Cantante is a singer. Suitcase is valise. So valise, it's kind of like, I think this is one of the words from French, because I think in French, valise with a V, valise is a bag. Because in Spanish is maleta. Well, Spanish has many words for luggage. And in Portuguese, they say bagagem, at least in Brazil, I believe. So it's certainly not from either of those languages. Valise, suitcase, and luggage. And okay, we did that already. Teen means to have. To have. And cacho, pushy, class. We did all those already. I'll probably go ahead and add cas. It was just house. See, I don't know what duna is. I do know that huma means to smoke. So huma. I'm gonna say huma, humando. So, to smoke, smoking. Okay. Comiendo. I've been spelling that with a K for some reason. Comiendo. I'm not going to do this for every verb. To eat. I'm just doing this for the learner. Just a few of these so they get the point. Haciendo. Haciendo. To do. Or doing. And then I'm also going to do this with the irregular ones, just so that when you go through the flashcards, you could see them. So ta is siendo. Ta. Ta. Autocorrect gets on my nerves sometimes. Ta siendo. To be. To be. Being. Teniendo. Teniendo. To have or having. Honestly, it probably makes more sense to just add this here. Teniendo. So I'm going to go ahead and just delete this here. It makes no sense to have it. And replace it with sa, which means to know. Sa and sabiendo. Sabiendo. Knowing. Drumi. So drumi. Durmiendo. To sleep. Or sleeping. By to go. To go. Walk or mira. And for cases like this, when I make flashcards, I tend not to put the irregular here, so mirando and walkiendo. Walkiendo doesn't exist. Just so that people get that screwed into their heads when they study this. To see or to look. I believe English look is related to Dutch cooking. It's just a random. Koken means to look in Dutch, I believe. Just a random note. I have random thoughts sometimes. Lessa means to read. So lessa. To read. Buki is a book. Alright, so I'm going to leave that here. Just so I don't overload anybody. So I'm going to leave this here. And we'll continue on with more words in the next lesson. Thank you guys for watching.